One scandal too many. British PM Boris Johnson resigns. Frontrunner for Johnson's job revealed. Germany issues Russia sanctions appeal. Bloomberg reported on Thursday. Sergei Poltayev. By fall, the result of the first phase of the Ukraine conflict will be clear. What comes next is up to the West. European gas prices hit 4-month high. Cavusoglu. Lavrov discuss Ukraine, food security ahead of G20 meeting. World Chocolate Day. History of chocolate eating, or drinking, explained. Who after Boris and how does Tory leadership race work? Key things to know. Yemen delegation to visit India in bid to import wheat as food runs low. Elon Musk reportedly had twins last year with one of his top executives. MI5, FBI give joint warning of growing threat from China. Haiti. 1 year since president's killing, where do things stand? Why you should care about a controversial Russian ship. Biden struggles to define agenda ahead of visit to Saudi Arabia.